So Geanna, tell us a little bit about your program.
Okay, so first, I will say my name is Geanna Williams-Davis. I am the founder, president, and executive director of Elegance Extreme Incorporated. We are a youth-based organization. We focus on trauma-informed care, youth development, but our main focus is on reading literacy.
Wonderful. So the program began a little bit a while ago, right?
Oh yeah, we started back in we started January 2022. That's when we started our first whole cohort. And we started with minimal children. And today we have 50 registrants.
Outstanding.
Under the organization, yes.
So reading, I heard you say reading. So we know how important reading is, especially by third grade.
Absolutely.
And that's wonderful that you're emphasizing reading. And there's so many activities and programs that incorporate it, but it doesn't come up as a top level concern that you're doing. So tell us why reading is so important for kids.
So for me, my reasoning for feeling like reading is a major factor, because in life you can't do anything if you don't know how to read. I don't care what it is. You can't fill out a job application. You can't read a book. You can't read directions. You can't read instructions. You can't do anything. So for us here at Elegance Extreme, it is our mission to make sure that our children are getting what they need to be able to read on point by 3rd, 4th grade. But that doesn't stop, because even though you may be on point by the time you're at 4th grade, and you may even come in here with some really significant reading skills, but we want you to have great reading skills. So we continue even further with in our Come Read With Us program. You know, it's really geared towards children 3 to 10 years old. But what happens is, because we keep it going in our positive choices arena, they still have to focus on reading as well. Is the point really stressed the way it is at the younger ages? No, but it's still there. Nothing happens at Elegance Extreme if it doesn't pertain to reading.
Outstanding. And so what are the other activities and program workshops that you have?
Some of the other programs and workshops we do cursive writing, we do drones, we do dance. We have partnered with Cades Kids. They come in and they do a program called Too Good for Violence for our children. We partner with the Discovery Center. They come in and bring all kind of nature-based information and projects for the kids. They come to us, we go to them twice a session, cohort for us. So we have conflict resolution, which is major. That is major, major, major. Our kids have to know how to de-escalate situations so they won't end up in a situation where they're hurt.
Outstanding. Well, thank you for sharing with us today. I know we can go on because your program has so many different programs. So we're going to follow you and follow the program and share it to the folks to just know, just not by hearing it, by seeing it as well.
Exactly.
God bless you for what you're doing. It's a tremendous purpose that we all feel that you have. And God bless you for everything you do.
Thank you. Thank you.